So hi, on today's video we are going uh, to learn on how to what do you call this, process yung system nyo as simple as that, as this. So first of all, you're going to start your control panel. Now then start of course the MySQL MySQL server and the Apache server. Then locate your to locate your your of course your database. Go to localhost PHP admin. Then if you're going to export your your database, just go to database name, then export. Sorry for my PC, it was so slow. So here you can change the format of the file, SQL or PDF, if yan ang gusto nyo. Then the custom here, if this is the quick radio button here, um, it will actually export all the tables of your database. So if you click the radio button custom, you can specify what table lang yung i-export, right? So we're just going to use the quick, then go. Yun, tapos na. So to access your web application or system, uh, you're going to type the server name, localhost of course, then the folder of your web application system. So that would be the catering because that is the folder name of our system here, the htdocs, and that's the catering. Now this is your main page. Of course, you are going to log in first, right? Now, uh, because you are a newbie, you cannot, what do you call this? You cannot log in without any account on that system. So because nga no na tayo, newbie, new user, we're going to sign up. Uh, Personal information lang. Let's say Lin, the name of our page, tech. The address would be Manila, Philippines. Then the contact number. Okay, the username would be. Why don't we don't use email, just username only. Lin tech. Sign up. Automatically you've been registered. So if nag-registered ka, tapos nagkapareha yung username na tinype mo, magkakaroon ka ng alert na that username is already exist, gaya din sa phone number. So let's just log in. So if we're going to log in and your password is correct, you will be redirected into the user's page. But if not, there would be an error. Username password is error. So let's try it again. Lintech, login. Then you are redirected to our log page. Now this is our login page. We can go to our above the navigation bar. There is of course the button, link, link menu list. This link is consists of a list of our menus, then of course our venues, and this is your reservations. Of course, that's because we have no reservations yet. Ito yung lalabas, no data. So first of all, punta tayo sa menu, and we have no available menus. So what we're going to do now is to add our menus by logging in as an admin. So to log in as an admin, you need to write the username and the password. Default username and password are the admin and admin. Is the admin and admin. So log in. If you are an user type is admin, you'll be redirected to administrator page. So this is it. You are redirected into the venue data. So we have no data yet. We're going to add. let's say poolside, then venue name, that is the venue name. Next is the description. So let uh, say that this poolside, this is poolside. Then you can write everything you want. Let's say the prices. Let's say na yung price dito is one day ganito, ganito talaga yung price, wala nang date and time o mga ganyan ganyan lang. So the price here would be 1,500, let's say lang. At dapat wag kayong mag-add ng PHP dito. Let's say PHP 1,500, just whole number only. Hindi ko pa nagagawa kasi yung para may comma dyan, hindi ko pa na-encounter yan. So, review image, we're going to here. So, let us say be poolside, images, poolside, where are you, poolside, ito. Add, when you added, yun, ito na yun. So, to edit, of course, you can edit that. Uh, you can delete, of course, by clicking OK. You can delete the data. But here we're going to go to our menu. So in our menu, we're going to add, of course, our menu. So menu here, let's say kare kare. Then this is kare kare. The price of the kare kare would be 500. Then of course, let's say this will be the kare kare. Or ilagay nyo yan sa description nyo, kahit ano dyan ilagay nyo. Let's say yung menu nyo is ganito. Sa description, lagay nyo na ang menu na to, it contains kare-kare, dinuguan, or ano pa dyan. Okay, so you can also edit and delete. So there are two buttons, right? So the add menu, of course, and the reservation. The reservations here are the list of the reservation from the menu only. So let us go back again, and we're going to log out. We're going to log in as user. Let's say Dintech, because that is our registered username and password. Login. Then we're redirected. So if we're going to go to our nav bar and click the menu link, and ito yung lalabas of our menus. So if we're going to reserve this, let us say reserve, then cancel. You can cancel, reserve. Yes, okay. Automatic. Walang may process. Wait. Again, reserve. Reload ko ba muna? Again, reserve. Okay. Yun, reserve successfully. Then you've been redirected. So now we can go to our reservation, my reservations. Then you can see there's two links or two buttons. So for your menu reservation and for venue, you're going to click the menu reservation. This is your reservation and this is the status. Menu reserve automatically. So if the admin going to to change that status, let's go to the admin. So go to the catering, login as admin. As you can see, this is its status. Yun na ba? Login muna. Try natin sa ano ba yan? Menu. Then going to reservations. Ito yung kanyang reservation. Silintech, yung customer, yung kanyang contact number and address. So if we're going to pay this, we can update this. And if you're going to cancel, you can cancel that also. So let's say, for the sake of our system only, we're just going to pay that. Pumunta siya sa ano nyo, sa inyong catering service, then bumayad na siya, okay, update nyo na. Pero habang nasa transaction kayo, wag mo munang i-update, okay? So, ganun din sa venue. Ganyan lang that, okay? So, here, you're going to see that the status will be changed. Okay, so transaction, success. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Peace.